Hey guys, I'm Chef Adrienne Calvo. Thanks for joining me. Today we're making the best roast chicken ever using my Alva chef skillet. Let's get to work. So we're gonna start off with our Alva chef skillet, which I love because this pan, you can create so many one-pot dish recipes. That means you can put all your ingredients here and let it work while you do something else. We're gonna put in our free-range chicken, like so, right in the center of our pan, and we're gonna start building layers of flavor now. Next, we are going to mix our mustard and our butter together, one into the other. Just gonna lightly mix that up, incorporate it together. Now we're going to paint the mustard and the butter all over the chicken. So we want to make sure that we grab all parts of the chicken here with this mustard butter. This is going to help create a really wonderful crust, seal in all the juices, and mustard actually aids as a natural tenderizer. As the chicken releases pan drippings, this helps create a beautiful pan sauce. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit of good kosher salt. You want to be generous with the salt. You want to make sure that you get inside of the cavity as well. We're going to add pepper. We're going to be generous with the black pepper as well. Make sure you get into the cavity. As we continue to build layers of flavor, we're going to add fresh thyme and fresh rosemary right to the top, like so. This is going to go into a preheated oven for about an hour and a half, or until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees. So now we're going to make a delicious side dish of simple grilled vegetables using the Alva grill pan. We could have added the vegetables to our skillet, our chef skillet, but using the grill pan is going to impart a little more flavor to it. Let's get started. Here we have a medley of vegetables. I have carrots, I have onions, I have some red bliss potatoes, but you can use peppers, you can use mushrooms, let your imagination run wild. I've preheated my Alva grill pan here to a high heat. That's what you want, because that's what's going to impart the grill marks. And the grill marks are going to impart flavor. Okay, so I've seasoned them with a little bit of kosher salt, pepper, thyme, and that's going to go right into the pan. All right, that's good. Beautiful. Okay, so once you've let that settle in like that, you don't want to move it around, because you want to give it enough time for the grill marks to actually appear on your vegetables. So let that work for just a few minutes. All right, so now that our chicken is ready and our grilled vegetables are ready, we're going to combine the two and add our grilled vegetables into our chicken dish. And one of the great things about the chef skillet from Alva is that it's not just your cooking vessel, but it can be your final presentation vessel. Watch this. Oh my gosh, that's great. We're gonna get all of these in there. We don't wanna waste any of these. That's gonna go, oh, wow, that's beautiful. These little grill marks, that's just the deepening of flavor. That's how you do roast chicken, maximum flavor style. And to finish this recipe, I like to add a little bit of fresh thyme right over the dish. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe using my Alva chef skillet as much as I have making it. So the true test to know if your roast chicken is really well done is that it has to kind of fall apart like this. Oh, wow. There you go. But how do you get that? That's why I love using Alva's chef skillet, because you're imparting heat not only evenly from the bottom, but all around here. So it's unlike just using a regular roasting dish or roasting pan. You're imparting heat from all directions, cylinder, and the even heat from the bottom. So it ensures this super juicy, tender, best roast chicken ever. To buy your Alva cookware today, visit my curated collection page found in the description.